If you've been looking for a beachfront condo away from the vacation rental crowd, let me introduce you to Riviera I, Riviera II, and the West Beach Grand. All buildings feature elevators, central laundry facilities, and fenced parking areas with restricted access gates, as well as private dune walkovers. West Beach Grand also has a nice beachside sun deck. Located on Galveston's West End near Hershey Beach, these condos are a short drive to popular attractions like Schlitterbahn Water Park, Moody Gardens, and the Galveston Municipal Golf Course. These buildings are ideal for the no-frills buyer who doesn't plan to vacation rent their condo and still wants to enjoy views like this. For more information and a list of current inventory, call, email, or visit galvestonCondoLiving.com.